How to check available storage on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on device care. Next, tap on storage. Now at the top here, it will give you an overview of how much storage you have left. So here I have 453.1 gigabyte of storage available. If you tap on storage, in here, it will give you a breakdown of what is using up your storage space. So you can see here, I have used up 58 gigabytes, of which videos, compressed files, audio files, images, installation files, documents, apps using up the most storage space at the moment with 31.94 gigabytes. Next by the system apps of 21.47 gigabytes. And that's it. So that is how you can check storage use and how much is available left on your Galaxy S25 series. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.